What is up, Webster Gang? I am actually doing the index card things where Jeff has to pick a card and then we decide on our future for that day. So these are the cards that he gets to choose from.
Alright, we're going to get breakfast. What is up, guys? Kaylee is upstairs getting ready. We're about to start by going to get breakfast. Let's go check on how my wife is doing getting ready. Hey, babe.
Hi.
Miss Dalton. Lola. Say hi. Is that a Bloody Mary?
Yeah, you wanna go there?
No, that's fine. One movie.
You want to see what the other one was?
Yeah. I mean, I like movie day
Yeah.
with popcorn. Alright. So when do we do the next one?
After the movie? What do you mean?
What? I have to wait till after the movie? I'm gonna pick the longest movie. Lord of the Rings. It's 3 hours and 20 minutes of walking. My wife hates movies. Absolutely hates watching movies. Well, except for scary movies. She likes scary movies.
Got potatoes, some toast, and bacon.
And I got chimichanga potatoes. And we got a side of grits.
Hey, it's me. We're watching a movie now. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I'm kind of sick right now, but I still want to get this voiceover done and get this video uploaded. The movie that we watched was with Megan Fox and some robots. 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend watching that.
We just finished watching the movie. It was a good movie.
Subsequence. Didn't get Minions. I wanted $20 to rent it.
It's cards on a budget. These are the cards. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm not even gonna look. Okay, ready? Go.
Go shopping. Yay. What's the other one? Clean and tidy up the house. Fuck yeah! Let's go shopping!
What are you gonna buy at the mall? You don't know what stores you want to go to?
Play it by ear. Kind of just walk around, see what pops up, you know? See what comes to the mind. I know I need boots for work. I'm getting boots for work.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go get my boots out of the way. What do you think?
I like them. The coupon worked on the clearance one.
Yeah. Save $30 then.
The mall is dead on a Wednesday afternoon.
American Eagle right now. My wife loves this store, but I typically find myself only at the clearance section. Just not a huge fan of the store.
What are you getting? I picked these ones out. Just got the ring back. Look how sparkly it is. We're gonna do a haul of everything that we've gotten. I also just want to show you quickly. Look at our fall flowers. This is gonna be our thumbnail probably too, so okay. Here you go.
Alright, so yeah, got the boxers. And the only other thing I got was some new work shoes.
And then we picked out some candles together. Just some soap, some mist for around the house. Got this pumpkin candle. One of Jeff's favorite flavor scented candles. And I stopped and got some pre-workout. I was out of this for a long time. And then I got my ring all cleaned up, so that looks gorgeous. Close your eyes. These are the cards for this afternoon. Let's see which one he picks. Are you reading them?
No, you can't.
That's one note?
What's that one say? Like Mario Party on Switch. Go get a nice cocktail.
This is the one we chose. So now we get to go have a drink later this evening.
Or do you want to just make me a drink?
I could. And we could play Mario Party. You wanna
Or
do that?
football.
Or football. Yeah, it's fine.
Do a card day like that soon too.
This is the prickly pear vodka that we used to make Moscow meals. Love them.
So, in a Moscow Mule, you'll do 1 part vodka, half an ounce of lime juice, and then the rest ginger beer, and add ice and stir. They're very easy to make and they're super delicious to enjoy at home. Make sure you have your copper cups too. Those are super important.
His cup, my cup.
Now it's time to play football and enjoy our time together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, you are a real one.